Next task is integrate SonarQube with the Jenkins pipeline. So all the step I will share with you. So these are the steps. So what we need: SonarQube, sonar-scanner, all we have done. Now we will pipeline job, and these are the parameters. So let's check out if they have the parameter on the SonarQube official site. Okay, not much information available. Okay. Okay, like this here we have the parameters. So in pipeline we use a parameter like a sonar host URL, project key, project name, login, password. And also in the starting we have seen this one, some additional parameter. Like -d, -h, like this parameter. You can go through it. Like this one, define property, -d we use for define property, help, version, debug. These are the properties. So what we'll do, so this is a code. I have gathered all these properties on the internet. So already we know to write a scripted out pipeline. Some you can try out. So here we have the stage like cloning. Here we have only two stages. First is a cloning code from the GitHub, and then SonarQube analysis. So go to the Jenkins dashboard and click on new item, and here we'll give the name SonarQube Jenkins Pipeline. Before that, we will delete this project. So because our project is same, go to this project, go to administration, then click on management, click on this name, then click on delete. Now there is no project. Jenkins pipeline. Here we have to select pipeline. Earlier we had selected Maven project. Click on pipeline. Click on OK. And here we'll do name SonarQube with Jenkins pipeline. Here we have to keep this default option. Build trigger also same in advanced. Here we have the option. We can add Jenkins file or pipeline script. So for now, we have added the pipeline script. And this code I have. So this code I have gathered. So here we have the stage. First is a cloning from GitHub. Then next stage is SonarQube Analysis. There we have the properties like this property tools. This one I will explain you. So here this defines SonarHome. SonarHome, scannerHome. Here we have to give the name of sonar-scanner name. So let me duplicate it. I will extend the code. Copy this one. Manage Jenkins global tool configuration. And this key name is must. Click on the sonar scanner. What we have given the name SonarQube. This is the ID we have given to the SonarQube scanner. So here we have to sonar scanner home equal to tool, and our name is a small letter small s SonarQube. All is small. Okay, let's check. Otherwise, let's copy here. Then with SonarQube environment. Okay, this also we have to check. Here we have to add a SonarQube server ID. So here we have configure. We have configure in a configure system. Click on configure system and go to SonarQube server. And what name we have given here? SonarQube underscore token. So we have to copy this name and replace here. So what we have done, we have defined sonar scanner and SonarQube server ID, which we have configured in Jenkins. And after that, we have the one shell command, sh shell where leave Jenkins tools. This is a plugin for sonar runner installation. And here we have to give the name of scanner name. Okay, our scanner name is SonarQube. Okay. We have to check, otherwise build will fail. Sorry, copy this name. How is small letter? Yes. Small s, small q. Then in our sonar scanner, we have the sonar scanner, which is configured here. So it is taking the path from sonar scanner, this path. Okay, configure this name. This path bin sonar scanner default path. Then our project name is snap 1.0 snapshot. Then we have given this SonarQube ID and password. So here we have to replace sonar admin, username is admin. Here we will use password. So real-time scenario, we will add the variable, but we will check in the real-time project task. Okay. So for now, we will add here. Then here we have to give the project base directory. So how to identify this base directory? So by default, when we build the sonar, any project in Jenkins, it create the folder in where leave Jenkins workspace. And there it will create a folder. So our folder name will be like, so we have given this name, SonarQube integration Jenkins pipeline. So this folder will create there. So replace this line. SonarQube. Pipeline. Then my project key is my app, encoding UTF-8, language is Java, and my project path. So here is your project path. Go to here in Jenkins. Here is my project path. Project. Replace this line. Project SRC main. Project SRC main. Same also. Main code is project SRC main. Here is text also. Project SRC main. Then we have to add the sonar host URL. So let's copy the sonar host URL. Replace here. Okay. Let's save it. And here we have to add the pipeline also. This cloning from GitHub. So go to Jenkins. And here pipeline script. Here, let's copy this one, pipeline script. And here we have to add our Git branch. Sorry, let's copy this one. Here we will replace the name. Token, project name, then password. The project all is correct. SRC main, SonarQube URL. And here we will give the name cloning from GitHub. Here, and this syntax we have generated from our pipeline syntax. Go to pipeline syntax. You can generate syntax here. And here step. Give the step. Check out from version control. Then select the Git branch. Copy the URL. Here you can get it. Copy this one. Paste here and select the credential and branches, master. Then generate pipeline syntax. Okay. Then copy this code and replace here checkout, from checkout to end of the line. Okay, let's verify once. Cloning from code, SonarQube Analysis, SonarQube token, then plugin, and here give the name. This name is sonar-scanner name. The all is correct. Then click on apply. Then click on save. And let's build it now. Click on build now. And let's check console output. Okay. Our build got success and report sent to the SonarQube. And let's go to the SonarQube. Refresh it. Now our project name is showing. Name, we have given the name project. So in the real time scenario, what we do, we add this phase and this repeating pipeline we can use for every microservice. So this is only one-time task. Here, if you go configure here, and for every pipeline, you can add this property. Just you have to replace the value. Now another property will be same. Or miss this property, this whenever you require, you can change your project name, this directory. You can also add a variable here, and other will be same.